Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Isle of Man green with the Tartufo interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Isle of Man green metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so you saw that headlight welcoming shimmer. So that's the low beam system on display. Let's press and hold panic for 1 second. So we get the low beam system on there for the pathway lighting. So let me do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And of course, this is Isle of Man, just as a comparison. San Remo green metallic right here. So let me just do this lap all the way around. And once we've completed this lap, oh man, those lasers look crazy at the back. We can definitely take a closer look at all the details. So let's jump right in. So this is Isle of Man green metallic. This color came out in 2021 when we launched the G80 and the G82. And this was the poster color on the G80. So to see it on the G82 actually is refreshing. And you can see that it's a much lighter green than the San Remo green that's right beside it. And it really shows off the lines on the hood well, especially those sculpted arches leading down to the rondelle here. And we have this now iconic vertical kidney grille with the horizontal slats. We have the M4 Competition badging on the driver's side, and this one has the radar puck down here, and I can see that we've got the exterior carbon M package, so we've got these nice carbon air ducts down here, and of course we've got all the functional airflow into the intercoolers, oil coolers and such. And again, let me just get the welcome lights on, and if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights with the blue accents. And you can see we have those stacked LEDs there as well. And overall, the snake eye headlight design looks crazy. And I've actually seen some concepts, people putting the snake eyes on the M2, and that actually looked crazy too. So I'm wondering if anybody's actually gonna do it. If we come around to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch front and 20-inch rear. These are the double spoke 826M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M compound brakes here. And you can also see that we have M4 Competition air breather. We also have the black rocker panel down here. We also have the M carbon wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera. And up top we have the M carbon fiber roof. And if I take a step back here and take a look at this awesome side profile, I love the lines on the car. Don't forget that the M4 has a body line on the fender at the front that the M3 does not have. It's a different fender, in case you did not know. But anyway, back to the M4. Got the nice body line coming across here, and there's another body line that starts up into the hip. And we've got the Hofmeister kink. We have touch comfort access on both door handles, carbon fiber roof, new style antenna, carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk lid here as well. Wide rear quarter, look at that. And there's your rear caliper in red. And when we come back here, you'll see that we have the lovely laser tail lights. I love these things. And down here, M carbon diffuser with the quad exhaust tips. We have the M4 Competition badging in black with the silver lining. And since I'm back here, I've got the key with me. Press and hold the tailgate button, that opens up. We got some carpeted mats back here. We have the front plate bracket. We got your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook, all that stuff in that kit. And there are release levers on either side, grocery bag hanger on this side as well. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. So we will just press the close button for now. Look at this angle. Now, if we take a look at the rear quarter on the passenger side, you press this open. Fuel cap door is open. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise. One click to close. And let's have a look in through the passenger door. So look at that beautiful Tartufo interior. And we've got some nice stitching across the top of the door panel. Harman Kardon sound system, galvanic window controls, deep door pocket, aluminum M4 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, under the thigh extension, M4 lights up on the headrest. Headrest height is also power operated. And we've got the M tricolor seat belts. If I lift this up on the shoulder, the seat will move forward, allowing space to get into the rear area. Back here, look at these Tartufo seats. The M car does not have an armrest in the center, it just has the pass-through. We also have the coat hangers on the back of each B-pillar here. And down here, we have some vents in the back of the center console. And there's a little storage space down here as well. When I put the seat back into the recline angle, it will move back to where it was previously positioned. Down here, you can see we've got all the Tartufo here as well. We also have the carbon fiber trim on the inside, stitching across the dash. iDrive 8.5 with the M-specific display. And down here, we've got the cascading ambient light. Open that up. We do have the wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, M gear selector with the M tricolor stitching, and the M emblazoned on the top. Red push start button. We also have some padding on the side here. If I lift this up, USB Type-C charging port. So let's shut that all down and we'll close this door. We'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we approach from the driver door, open that up. You can see that the car was tinted, so we did 35%. We have both window controls there, memory seats, unlock lock, door pull. There's a tailgate release down here as well. Aluminum M4 door sill. Let's have another look. Those awesome Tartufo sport seats. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel. M at 6 o'clock. Carbon fiber on the face. Carbon fiber shift paddles. And we've got M tricolor stitching all the way around. Red marker at 12 o'clock. And we have the head-up display. Nice stitching going around there as well. We also have the buttons here for garage door opener, reading lights, SOS, visor. Visor opens to reveal the light. And this one does have some cruise control add-ons here. So if we go here, you'll see that we have Assisted Driving Plus. So this is more or less the same as what you'd find in a 3 Series or 4 Series. This also has the park assist, so it will do automatic back park and parallel park as well, which is pretty sweet. But most people, I don't think, really ever use it. And if I get out of here, you'll see down here that we have your exterior lighting controls, we have your storage compartment, you got your pedals, and you got your hood release here. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you won't have to find anything here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. This one has 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We have the triangular strut brace here. We also have the positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal. Washer fluid goes over here. But what an absolute beast this is. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. It just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, center down. Beauty. So before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around. And car looks fantastic. And these cars are just so wide. They have tons of presence on the road. And of course, they can annihilate pretty much anything in terms of straight line speed. And since we're at the back, I've got the key with me. Do another 1, 2, 3 to just shut it off there. So how did you like that remote engine start, cold start sound? And how do you like this spec M4 Competition? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M4 Competition in Isle of Man green metallic with the Tartufo interior. How do you like this spec? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.